Welcome back to the Shaft method, and this is the 9 breath awakening. I like to teach like monkey see, monkey do. So basically what we're going to be doing is flexing the spine, exhaling and inhaling to your fullest potential 9 times, and on the 10th time you're going to take as much air in, you're going to collect the energy from below and above. It looks like this. You're going to swallow some spit, expand the belly, and you're going to hold it as long as you can, and then you're going to exhale in a golden straw breath and see what happens. And you want to do this at least 3 times. So here we go. Now that one gets you even more higher. So give it a go and tell me how it goes in the comments.